We came here to receive our mission.
Wir haben zu wenig Bier, Jungs. Geht zur Enklave. Wir haben noch 4 Fässer. Die müssen wir unbedingt haben, sonst hat Durst nicht. Holt das undercover. Lasst euch nicht dabei erwischen.
Okay, go to the buildings.
Oh yeah, yes.
Do you know where they are?
Just go.
So we just go here, right?
Yeah. Let's check this out.
Oh, it's- This right here is the Enclave base. They arrived here a week early to build all of this. So all of these vehicles here, they brought them. They own them privately. They built these towers, these fences. It's all just for this one game. Yeah, Joseph's in there. We have an informant, and actually he told us that there's a pool table right next to the beer kegs, so we could maybe get in. Maybe we could say we are pool table technicians. We have a mission from our commander that we have to go into Enclave as a pool table repair squad. So we would need a written document.
Give you an ID card,
Yeah,
which says pool table repair.
pool table technician. Yeah.
And then I can also give you a written piece of paper verifying your trustworthiness.
Okay, amazing.
You're gonna get paid to repair the pool table, right?
Yeah.
So you can pay me later.
Can you on the document also claim like our hourly rate?
That's
Okay.
See you back in an hour with a shitload of money.
Okay, amazing. Yeah. So we owe you 500.
No, it's 1,000 because you pay me later, plus 500 each for the certificate. So we have
What?
2,000.
2,000.
Yes.
Fuck, but it's only 840. No, you have to give us a better deal.
No extra money for risk.
Oh, no,
It's
no
a
risk.
war?
Oh, yeah, it's a war. I guess it's a war, yeah.
Maybe 4,000
Yeah.
for risk.
Thank you. Amazing. Okay, 2,000. Handshake?
No, 4.
1,000. Okay.
4 because otherwise you would have charged 800.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay.
Have fun. Good luck.
All right. Thank you.
See you later.
Danke, dass du wieder Gameplay-Videos machst.
Ja, bitte. Bemühe mich. Ja.
Now we're outside.
Das geht auch ganz so. Wir wollten einfach nur raus, wie ist denn der Ausgang?
Ja, dann müsst ihr hier einmal hier rum.
Da?
Ja, genau. Wenn ihr dann dem Weg folgt, dann werdet ihr den sehen.
Okay, super. I think it's here, Jet. No, fuck, man, I'm lost in here. Your Holiness, we have a request. We are on a mission and we would love to have your blessing.
Will be 200 Airsoft dollars.
The mission will get us 10 grand. Can we pay it afterwards?
Well, no.
That's not how the church operates. Okay.
Well,
But we're so trustworthy. We have the certificate of trust.
Yeah. Look, and we already have the invoice written, so we're gonna have massive cash afterwards. We can even make it like 250, but we have to pay it afterwards. We just need God with us on this one because it's gonna be really hard.
Sheriff. So, in the name of the holy, one and only Carrot, you guys will be blessed on your mission. Take the blessing from inside. Have this drink.
Thank you.
You will be blessed on all your ways. I got a special item for you too.
Oh wow. That's
Put it
gonna
in your
help.
pocket. Keep it safe. So now go out, complete your mission, and come back with 200 Airsoft dollars each.
Each. Okay, wow.
Okay, each.
Okay. Thank you, My Holiness. So what's that? Speed?
Hello.
Hello. Scared.
Sheriffs,
Okay.
and I think you have drugs.
Your Holiness, I need some holy support. The sheriff is asking for. Oh no! I saw that. You saw that? You saw it, right? You have it on camera. He has it on camera.
You go with me.
You have it on camera.
Well, go with me. I saw nothing.
He has it on camera. Chad, give me your camera. Did you record it?
Wait, what's going on? No, no.
He's claiming I have drugs on me.
When you have drugs,
Man, I tell you, I have no money. We're here to make money, actually. You're on the wrong guy.
Du bist jetzt verhaftet.
You'll have to do it with Sporas. You'll have to do it with Sporas. Ah! Next time, maybe.
Einbruch ist eigentlich.
Jet, push! Push! Jet, just push! Just run! Okay, let's get our gun. Let's just get the fuck out of here. Oh no, they hit. Run, run, run. Just run, man. Okay. It's getting tough. Yeah. I think he'll be safe. What kind of police state is that, man?
Right?
Yeah. And the priest, man, do you think
kind of- what kind
are
of-
like working together? We need to like sync the story. So we are from.
Oh yeah, where are we from?
We are from.
I'm from America. You
okay.
are my. Well, I don't know. Should we
I'm
go-
an immigrant from Austria,
Yes, yes.
like Arnie,
yes. Okay.
and I'm trying to join you on your entrepreneur adventure of fixing pool tables.
Yeah,
So you're my boss, actually. Hello, hello. We are the pool table maintenance squad.
And we're here to maintenance the pool table.
maintenance?
The pool table maintenance,
Table
yeah.
maintenance.
table,
We were given a call from a commander here to come maintenance the pool table.
Alright. Magazines out of the weapons. Report there for your search.
Okay.
You wanted the light version or
The very, very light version, please.
are there any weapons on the back?
No, there's no. Just pool table calibration.
The mags are now deactivated.
Okay.
Light version or
You can go heavy.
okay. Spread your legs.
Good. Thank you.
You just show us that the pool table will be on our way. When was the last time you had your pool table calibrated? Yeah, exactly. It's time. The time is now.
Man, that's just terrible for the surface. Oh, it is gonna take a while. Standard procedure?
Yes. The table must be clear of all objects for the calibration to be.
Yeah, we got like
See, Take a
one.
look here.
Yeah, it's like, oh my fucking god.
Oh.
You guys played on this? Of course. Oh, did you hear the sound? Like over here? It sounds a bit lighter.
Yeah.
Also roll it, like I've seen it does like a slight left curve. So I think it has a slight bow in it. You saw that? Like slightly to the left. Let me do it one more time.
Okay.
I mean, look at that.
It's obviously going
What
to
the fuck,
left.
yeah. I don't need a left.
You almost made it. That's how uneven it is.
Let me check this side.
Okay.
I think it has like a... They're gone. I think you do now. We can do it now. Okay, I'm just... Yeah. Fast. Check, come back. They're coming.
Okay, we're back to calibrating. Yes.
Is that a Chinese table?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
We just got it from as a gift, so we didn't
Oh,
ask any questions.
okay.
I don't think so.
You guys have a screwdriver by any chance? Phillips.
Leatherman,
Yeah, 4mm Phillips would be good. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh.
To not go straight. Like,
Yeah.
you're-
Do you want to feel it? Like it's just, you can totally feel the bumps. Yeah, it's right here. Knife kill. Okay. What's up?
Okay, all right.
We just did the pool table.
Was fällt euch eigentlich ein hier?
We're just fixing the pool table, man. Like, what's up?
How the fuck did you get in here?
We're just here to maintenance the pool table, that's all.
Yeah, all on yourself. Just walking in here. He's dead! Of course he's dead!
Who is that? Oh. Who is that?
Weg da! Der Mann verloren!
But the pool table isn't calibrated yet. Shit, tackle him!
Runter!
It was from the village, the priest.
Yes, yeah, it was the priest.
Yeah, the fucking priest.
Yeah.
They said they're out of beer. And they wanted us to steal your kegs.
Yeah.
We had no choice. You don't want to kill me, man. That's gonna be cursing you. The guy said anyone who shoots me, he's gonna have bad food for the rest of his life. Shut up. No sauerkraut sandwich anymore for you guys.
Let us calibrate the pool table?
We would like to at least finish our job, you know?
Yeah.
You should try it, man. The balls roll differently.
Yeah.
It was like 2 degrees.
But that's the point of the whole table! It's supposed to be drinks! Get the fuck out of here! And you too, you...
Okay.
If I see you here one time again, that won't be your last!
Okay, let's hang out here a bit. Man, that was fucking intense.
Sofort stehen bleiben! Sofort!
Not again.
Get on the ground!
What?
Get on the ground! Now!
What? Fuck, we just came out of here!
Sofort!
We just left the base.
Put your hands on your head!
Hände auf den Rücken! Die Hände!
Can I get English subtitles? Is this about the drugs? Yeah,
you got the wrong guy.
Yeah, that's
You got
not
the wrong
us.
guys, man.
That's not us. That's not us. It's the priest.
The priest.
Yes.
At the sheriff plants drugs. Like he goes to people, he drops a bag on their side and say, "Oh, look what just fell out of your bag." I actually have it on camera. I show you guys. Yeah. You saw it? No, I saw that.
I heard something.
This is the guy you're looking for.
Yeah. This is the guy.
Okay, and now, okay, look. Here's the sheriff, and he drops a bag on the ground. It's not my bag. Okay, you will see. The sheriff is asking for. You saw it? You saw it? He just dropped it on the ground.
Die Beweisvideos sind glaubhaft. Für Sie beide gilt erstmal die Unschuldsvermutung. Es ist soweit erstmal in Ordnung. Da sind wir wieder. Der Tatvorwurf der Korruption liegt vor, und zwar gegen den Sheriff.
Die Herren in der Enklave hier, hier wurde ein Vorwurf gemeldet wegen Korruption. Bitte einmal folgen.
Sind das die Männer?
Genau, ja. Diese her.
Diese Herren?
Ja.
Alles
Jawohl.
klar. Einmal festsetzen.
Runter!
The tables have turned.
Komm, schief! Weg von der Straße!
Absitzen!
Ich habe gehört, es ist hier eine Einweisung nötig. Eine kleine Erinnerung! Hallo! Hallo! Wissen Sie, was Ihre Aufgaben sind? Hallo! Da Sie richtig Scheiße gebaut haben, muss dies ja auch gereinigt werden. Die MK4. Ne? Nicht anfassen! Die MK4. Daran zu erkennen, durch dieses Zusatzgerät. Einmal bitte die Kloschüssel reinigen. Kommen Sie, ein bisschen mehr mit Schmackes. Das können Sie doch. Noch ein bisschen mehr. Halten Sie ruhig fest. Mein Gott, Sie können sich doch die Hände nachher wieder waschen. Ja, wunderbar, das machen Sie. Sie sind ja direkt ein Specialist. Damit können Sie ja bei der US Army anfangen. Als Specialist. Auch noch eine kleine Einweisung für Sie, ja? Damit Sie wissen, wie man auch in Zukunft mit Toiletten umzugehen hat. Der Deckel bleibt immer unten. Ich halt!
Ich zähle mit. Haben Sie das Zählen verlernt oder muss ich es Ihnen erst beibringen? Wir fangen an mit 1. Und was höre ich von Ihnen? Natürlich, damit wir uns nicht verzählen. Sie zählen mit. Wir beginnen von vorne. 1. Und was höre ich von Ihnen?
2.
Nein, nochmal von vorne.